Hello and welcome back to Simple Money Podcast, Canada's own personal finance podcast about those burning questions that are important to you and your family. I'm your host, Matthew Seawick, also known as the Friendly Financial Coach. Today we cover a topic that's often asked about and a product that many people don't even know that they may have. This topic, mobile device protection insurance on credit cards. This fairly new insurance coverage applies to smartphones, tablets, and select cell phones in cases of loss, theft, and accidental damage. Coverage is also worldwide, so you can be reimbursed if your phone is accidentally damaged or stolen during a vacation. A growing number of premium credit cards are beginning to offer this feature, and it's helpful to understand the fine details of the plan if it applies to you now or if it may apply to you in the future. One of the biggest conditions is that devices are only covered if they are fully purchased on a credit card, or when all or any portion of a purchase price is financed through a wireless provider on your credit card. Coverage begins either at 91 days if you fully purchase your device, or when the first transaction is charged if your device is paid through a wireless provider. This coverage then ends on the earliest of 2 years from the purchase price, 2 years from the purchase date or date of first transaction, date that the credit card is no longer in good standings, date that the policy is terminated, or date when regular transactions are no longer charged by the wireless provider before the device is fully paid. So how much can you actually receive if something happens to your device? If the device is stolen, then you are paid the full purchase price with taxes minus a depreciated amount and a deductible, up to a maximum amount of $1,000 to $1,500. The depreciated value is the purchase price after taxes multiplied by 2%, which is then multiplied by the number of completed months since your policy began. The amount after depreciation is then further reduced by a 10% deductible. So for example, 12 months ago you purchased a new iPhone XR and paid $1,163 after taxes for it. Unfortunately, your phone was stolen from your bag on your way back from work. The depreciation would be $279, meaning that the depreciated device value would be $884. The replacement amount would be $796 after the 10% deduction is removed. So this is the most that you can receive. In cases of repair, the amount provided depends on the policy that you have. Some allow repair costs to not exceed the depreciated replacement amount, while others will allow the full repair cost minus a 10% deduction. So let's say this unlucky person broke the glass backing of their iPhone XR. They would receive $180 for a $200 repair job with a 10% deductible, or the full $200 if the policy has no deductible. The insurance policy has quite a few exclusions, and it's important to make sure that you're eligible before you make a claim. Some of the most common exclusions include damage from wear and tear, damage to batteries, exclusion of refurbished or resold devices, situations where a device is stolen from a bag that is not hand carried and under direct supervision, and devices that are lost under mysterious circumstances. Also, policies typically limit one claim every 12 months and two every 48 months. To make the claim itself, it's very important that you follow the steps listed in your policy contract and fill out the appropriate paperwork. Typically, the insurer must approve any repairs or claim before you proceed with them. Anyone making a claim must contact the number in the insurance policy as soon as possible. Often, you will be required to report any damage within 90 days of the instance and provide a receipt from a qualified repair location before the repairs are done. In cases of loss and theft, you also immediately need to contact your service provider and police. So that's the basics of mobile device protection insurance on credit cards. As mentioned, this is a growing feature on credit cards, and understanding how it works can be very helpful. So that's it for today. Thank you so much for joining our podcast. If you're enjoying the show, you can support us by rating or sharing the show with anyone that you think may benefit. You could also contact me at info@ffcoach.ca or find me on Twitter at @f_fcoach. Take care and talk to you soon.